What is your mindset to repair friendship? The way that I think about friendship is that each person grows, each person is learning more about themselves and their environment every day. Every experience is a changing one. So when it comes to friendships and repair, maybe we can meet with that friend today, not yesterday, but today. Who are they today? And form and forge a connection with the person that they are today. Let yesterday go. Don't plan tomorrow. Just be there with them today. Thank you.